We can drive the car from production through testing procedures to repair stalls and even into conveyor belts. These moving conveyor belts are an interesting challenge because you have to hit the moving conveyor belt while it is moving with the vehicle. And actually, human drivers in a factory do that today, every day, and it's a hard thing even for them. So what we do here is we have programmed our systems to exactly know where the clamp of a moving conveyor belt is, and we can drive into it so that it can be then automatically pulled to the next station of testing or production.
So safety is very important to us, and we're working with Kopernikus Automotive also for safety topics. That's a critical piece because we're, after all, talking about self-driving vehicles. And when there's no person inside the car, you really need to make sure it's safe, both for hitting people, pedestrians, but also other objects that you don't want to damage the car.
You've seen me running in front of the vehicle, you have seen another car cutting in, which are the typical demonstrations of safety here, because obviously if we see some object or vehicle crossing the path of the automated vehicle, we stop, and if you walk right in front of it as a vulnerable road user, you'll actually see a hard stop.
There's one safety system, there's one performance system. But the safety system comes in, it's a double check. It's a redundant system that's looking to make sure everything's safe, and that's key.
There are two elements. One is our reaction time till we tell the car to fully brake. And then there's, of course, a reaction time on board of the vehicle and a braking distance. So that depends on speed of the vehicle. But usually we attempt to have the signal. If I walk in front of the car, the signal at the vehicle to fully stop at about 300 milliseconds after this occurs. We can even utilize the areas better because we can park closer. We can park in fishbone configuration, we can park in perpendicular configuration, or we can park inline, bumper to bumper. Now, this allows us to flexibly use these areas, parking areas, depending on demand and depending on availability. We can actually automate the entire process.